Edo State Police Command don gbab some suspects wey kpai Vivian Wakali. Make una remember say one video wey dey waka online show how dem kill one Mrs. Vivian Wakali through CCTV wey dey di house. Na dis one come make di Edo State Police Command to chook hand inside di matter. Di tok person for di Edo Police Command, Chidi Nwambuzo, come tok say wetin lead to di kilikili na land matter between Junior Peter Omoruyi and Kpai Enoyi for Evowoma community for Benin City. Dis one come turn to fight between two cult groups, Eye and Aye. Sake of dis, dem come dey kill themselves and 4 people come kpai on top di matter. For September 6, Kpai Enoyi and gang members come kill Vivian Wakali for her house. The Police Command Intelligence Rapid Response Control Unit, through their investigation and CCTV, come show say Kpai Enoyi wey come still confess show say na him and him boys kill the woman.
On the 20th of October 2022, the Edo State Police Command officially received a petition, that is a complaint, about the incident that happened on the 2nd of August 2022 at about 0900 hours at Evowoma community in Benin City, Edo State, where one Junior Peter Omoruyi and Kpai Enoyi of the community engaged themselves in a fight over land matter. The land situated in that village, measuring 100 by 100 feet, was the subject of their dispute. Shortly, it culminated into secret court fight between these two people and their members. One of the secret court fraternities, Aye and Aye, they engaged themselves in a fight whereby they killed 2 men. Later, the other group of Junior Omoruyi also reiterated by killing 2 other persons. On the 6th of August 2022, these Kpai Collins and his group moved to the house and premises of one Mr. Wakali in the community there, where they met the wife, late Mrs. Vivian Wakali, and shot her dead. During investigation by the Command and Control Intelligence Rapid Response Unit, it was revealed through a CCTV camera footage that Kpai and his members committed the murder against Mrs. Vivian Wakali. Investigation further revealed when Kpai confessed other members of the group to have been involved in these killings. And they are Old School, Egobe, Odio, Aka, Sheke, Pekolo, Agada, Junior, and many others. Investigation into these murder cases are still ongoing, and the command operatives of this unit is seriously and aggressively carrying a manhunt to arrest the fleeing suspects. And sooner or later they are arrested, they will be processed to court.
The husband, Wakali, of the late Mrs. Vivian Wakali, come chook hand inside the matter, say he want justice for his wife wey dey kpai.
From the camera footage, some boys from Evowoma community, they walked to our store. They saw that she was in the store. Then they went to the gate, which is the entrance of my gate. Normally, my wife used to sell. She sells provision and foodstuffs. So even when his shop is closed, people come to the gate and say, "We want to buy something. We want to buy something." So she normally sells to them from the gate sometimes. So on that day, they went to her shop first. They didn't see her. Then they came to the gate. I think they sent one of my boys to go and call her. So as she was approaching the pedestrian gate, one of the boys just shot her and ran away.
That was all.
Yeah, that's all.
Did your wife
Have any issues with them? Anybody at the
Not,
community?
not at all. I'm not sure because she tells me everything now. I don't even have time. I'm not always in the house now. I go to work, so I don't have time. I'm not from that community. I don't sell land. You understand? So I don't know what really happened. I need justice. I need justice. The guy that wore the marks actually, from the footage, is one of my neighbors. I used to live close to the house, the house after my house. I believe that's why he wore marks. His name is Idris Osaige. He's packed out from the community like 6 months ago until that fateful day when he came to kill my wife. There was no dispute. The only thing I can remember is there was one day they were having some argument because my house is at the junction. You understand? So normally I see them from my penthouse. They were fighting, him and one engineer. So they were fighting on that day at the junction. So I now came down. I was now trying to separate them, that they shouldn't fight. Then the next thing, the Idris was on the phone calling his chairman, the gang leader, that they should bring some boys. Then the next night I saw they brought vehicles with guns, and they were now putting the engineer inside the boot. So I now told the Idris, this thing is not up to that now. You can put him in the back seat. He just looked at me and they drove off. That was the only thing I can remember.
Campaign Enoyi will be one of the people where them Gbab can't touch light on top the matter.
I'm a chairman in my community. The land I give my lawyer 100 feet by 100 feet. I build a store. I build 2 stores for my lawyers. So my butch inspector advice went there to go and sell it. So he sell it, he destroy the foundation. Now he bring the client to work there, organized boy to work there. So my youth now go there to go and seize the something that they used to work. So now after the other day, I enter back at the commerce. So now he block me with some gang. So he say he want to tell me something. Now I tell him say, you no go fit tell me for here. Make you come meet me for house. Make you still respect me. So all those gang wey carry come, now they begin to insult me, they talk to me. So now the community youth boys come tell all those boys, say why they go to talk to me like that. So now junior begin to vex, say why all those boys they talk to his senior guy like that. So now they slap him. So when they slap him, now so I see they beg them. They enter back, pay 1,000 for the bag. Now so they take come on. After 3 days, I surprised say they come back. The boy will slap and they go kill him for his house. So as they kill him, now the area people will dey come vex for that night. They come begin kill. As they look for him, they not see and they kill brother. They look for the other one, they not see and they kill brother. They burn us. So as the killing happen for the night, they call me now run, call the DPO of Love World. Now run, now the DPO say make a constitution. So when they break, the DPO follow me down to the scene of crime. The other woman with the shot, we not there, we rush and go hospital. That one they alive. So now so the Love World they pack all the dead body. And so we take come back to homicide. I report there. After they kill, they run away for the community. Nobody is in the community. Their name, like Junior is my youth, Sheke is my youth, Sabiaki is my youth, the Piccolo is my youth, Osadolo is my boy, my community boy, Israel is my boy, Abu is my boy, Junior is my boy. So all those men is my boy. Okanorogo is my boy. All of them is for my community. They are working with me as a leader because I'm a leader there. All the Jews is my boy. After the key 3, the other day, the junior come back to me, attack me in my car. They did not succeed. They now went back home.
How many people have they killed?
So they now killed my 2 brothers. The total is 5. So the woman they shot, I surprised. They called me one day. They say I should come. It's my senior brother that called me. They say I should come. I should come and look one camera. So I run to go and meet my senior brother. When I reach there, he show me some camera, about 3 people. They shot one woman inside their compound. So when they shot it, he tell me, say whether I know all those people. Now I tell them, say, mask dey their face. I no go fit remember them. Now they say, okay, they go Lagos, they want go remove the mask, come out. When they remove the mask, come on, they go come show me back again, so that I fit help them catch all those people. So by then, now I come to see them for the camera where I say one of them for inside, the one with get body, now one of those boys where they work for my community with me, now then, or kind of rogo, now then.
Yes, you know.
Now then, he don't run. Now they go kill the woman for inside his house, and see the camera carry 3 of them. We go kill the woman. So what make me bring me come here? Because okay, since they be my boys, now I make them carry me come this place.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC na your power. No go say your vote for any politician on election day.